Our suitcases are out and we are packing our bags and heading somewhere tomorrow. Stay tuned, everyone. Ditvi, do you want to tell them where are we going?
Yes.
Where?
We are going to...
Hello, welcome back to Travel with Bodies. And we are traveling yet again. And this time it is my birthday vlog. And for my birthday this year, I'm going to...
Mama is going to Rajpura Nanima house.
Yes! So we are going to celebrate my birthday with Mama, Papa and Nanima. It is going to be lots of fun. So we are leaving on the 14th. And today is Anaya's birthday. Anaya, wishing you a very happy birthday, my beautiful princess. And me and Didi, we love you so much. Mwah.
Mwah.
So today is 14th, it is Anaya's birthday. Tomorrow is Independence Day and it is Masi's birthday, Kavita Masi's birthday. And then it's Janmashtami. And after that, it's my birthday. So we are going to spend 4 days in Rajpura and have lots of fun.
I'm all set with my backpack and I'm so excited to go to my Nanima's house. I have a lot of fun there.
Amazing. And tomorrow we are going to celebrate Independence Day and we'll show you how we celebrate this very special day. And we are on our way to the railway station. Woohoo! This time we are going from a new railway station, Nana. So we've already seen the main railway station, the New Delhi railway station. And we took the train to Agra from Hazrat Nizamuddin. And now we are going from the old Delhi railway station. The whole city was soaking in the spirit of Independence Day. We could see tirangas everywhere around and it was looking so beautiful. It was a lovely morning and it was drizzling. This part of Delhi feels absolutely different, especially in the rain. Look how beautiful it looks. Visit to Rajpura is a complete surprise for Mama and Papa and Nanima. They don't know we are coming, so let's capture their reaction and see how do they react. And look at this one, my little one has slept. There are just 5 minutes for us to reach the station and my babu is already sleeping. We were coming to the old Delhi railway station after a very, very long time. This was the first time that we came to the station with Ditvi, and it was just so beautiful. There were escalators, There were so many monuments painted on the walls, and there was a golf cart for elderlies and one in need. And that's our train, the pride of our nation, Vande Bharat. After settling down in the train, we were all set to leave for our next destination, which was Ambala. This is everything that we got in snacks, and that's Titri Pari. She was waiting for snacks, she was hungry. And look outside how green it is. Lovely. Started raining. The weather was absolutely beautiful. It was sunny one moment, and the next moment it started raining, and then yet again when it stopped raining, the sky looked so blue, beautiful, and those sun rays that are trying to pop out are looking wow. We love watching out of the train window whenever we travel. It's always so green and lovely. हम पहुंच गए हैं अम्बाला और यहाँ से हम लेंगे कैब टू नानी माउस. Look at Papa's और फिर बहुत सारी बारिश के साथ फाइनली हमारा आगमन होता है राजपुरा में. एंड वी आर सुपर एक्साइटेड टू सी द रिएक्शन. ये है मेरे घर का एरिया और ये है वो टर्न जो लेते ही हम घर पहुंच जाएंगे. Guys, we have reached Rajpura and it's time to surprise everyone. Let's go, Nana. Guys, यहाँ पे हमारा टोटल चॉप हो चुका है. हम पिछले 5 मिनट से बाहर खड़े बेल बजा रहे हैं और कोई दरवाज़ा नहीं खोल रहा. मैं चुपके से नानी माँ के रूम में देख रही थी कि नानी माँ हमारे शोर से उठ तो नहीं गए, बट नहीं, वो रेस्ट कर रहे थे. and I was so happy to see Mama and Papa. हम दित्वी की चप्पल भूल गए हैं दिल्ली में.
दित्वी हमारे साथ नाराज होके बैठी है.
यस, तितवी सैड हो गई है.
मुझे खुश कर देगा.
अब उसके लिए नई चप्पल हम लेने जा रहे हैं मार्केट. नाना जी बस फ्री हो जाए.
मैंने भी लेने हैं, शूज वाले की जाएंगे.
वेरी नाइस.
तीन खा ली. I was telling बड़े नानी माँ कि एक में मुझे पता चल गया था. Still I ate another 2 मिर्ची पकौड़े.
वही ना, दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
Fire, fire.
पहली बार इतनी मिर्ची वाले, मैंने कहा नानी माँ को मैंने मिर्ची पकौड़े खाए हैं. So after today's travel and fun time with the family, it's time for us to sleep now. Prithvi is already sleeping. Dilip is still working. He's sending some work emails. And look at Ditvi. She's sleeping. She's tired. All right. Good night, everyone. See you tomorrow. It is Independence Day and Goa Nanima's birthday. So wish her happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Goa Nanima.
We are watching the Independence Day ceremony. Those are our defense forces standing tall and proud. A big thank you to all of them for protecting us always. Happy Independence Day, Nana.
Happy Independence Day.
Wishing everyone a very happy Independence Day. Wow, look at the Lal Killa. Nana, look at the Red Fort.
मैं मम्मा और नानी माँ इंडिपेंडेंस डे देखने जा रहे हैं.
Happy Independence Day.
हमारा प्यारा फ्लैग उड़ते हुए देखेंगे.
Let me show you Ditvi, how Ditvi is looking. Wow, Ditvi, you're looking so pretty, baby.
Thank you.
Lovely. Nana woke up early and now going for the celebrations.
Yes.
Nana, you know what happened today?
What?
That's what I'm asking you. Why do we celebrate this day, 15th of August?
Because India got the freedom from the Britishers.
Yes, we got the independence from the Britishers.
Yes.
And do you know some names of some of the freedom fighters who helped us to get the independence?
Yes.
Can you name them?
Yes.
Okay.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Pandit Jawaharlal
Singh.
Nehru. Bhagat Singh, very good.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru.
Chandrasekhar Bose.
And also all the freedom fighters.
All the others. There were lots, Nana. Not one, not two, many. We don't even know the names of some, baby. There were so many. And who was the lady who fought for our freedom? Who was out of one of the very first?
I think Indira Gandhi.
No, beta. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi ki Rani. Yes. She was one of the first freedom fighters. You dress up like Rani Lakshmi Bai so many times. So now you know, right? You'll remember.
Mama, I don't know that much general knowledge, so that's why.
But it's important to know, na? Good. It's dot 8 o'clock. The flag ceremony is at 8 o'clock. We have arrived and let's hope that we have not missed it. All right, so I think it's time for the flag hoisting. That's Papa. This is Mummy. That's my Ditvu. Oh, look at the birds. We have come to the Rajpura Court Complex for flag hoisting and we are waiting for the Honorable Judge to arrive for doing the honors. You liking it, Nana? It's a lovely morning. Everything is so green.
New highway?
New bridge.
New bridge. Sorry everyone.
And Ditvi is inaugurating it. Let's go, let's go. Looks nice. Thank you, Nana ji, for getting us on the new bridge.
Thank you, Nana ji.
मैं और दिलीप आया पापा के साथ एक छोटी सी ड्राइव पे। तबीयत ठीक लग रही है अब आपको?
better than last night.
ओके, ग्रेट। हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे।
Thank you.
आपको मिस कर रहे थे सारे इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन।
जय हिंद।
जय हिंद।
जय
जय हनुमान जी, जय वीर हनुमान, जय माता रानी। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। वाह जी वाह, देशभक्ति बहुत जागी हुई है। अंकल जी ने भी केसरी रंग दा पटका बन्या हुआ है, पग बनी हुई है। आलू के परांठे खाने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। ये एक नई स्वीट डिश है जो नानी माँ ने कल मुझे ट्राई कराई है। दिस इज कॉल्ड बब्बन टिक्की। सो इट्स लाइक सिस्टर ऑफ बालूशाही। इट्स स्वीट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड एंड इट इज सेवरी फ्रॉम इनसाइड। गाइस, कैसे हैं आलू के परांठे? And Ditvi, what are you doing? Look at the amount of makhan on Ditvi's parantha. My God.
I love makhan.
Are you a makhan chor?
Yes.
Krishna? A devotee of Krishna?
Yes.
What do we say, Nana? As a devotee of Krishna?
जय श्री कृष्ण।
Namo
Bhagavate.
Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। आलू के परांठे खाने के बाद हमने थोड़ी गप्पे मारी, थोड़ा रेस्ट किया और हम फिर निकल गए एक और राइड पे ऑन चंडीगढ़ पटियाला हाईवे, जहाँ पे खुला है नया हल्दीराम्स और हम जा रहे हैं लंच के लिए। वूहू। चलो आपको दिखाते हैं, राजपुरा में नई नई चीज़ें ओपन हो रही हैं। एंड द ड्राइव वाज सो सीनिक बिकॉज इट वाज रेनिंग एंड द वेदर वाज ब्यूटीफुल। We are here at Haldirams. So finally we have Haldirams in Rajpura. It's a little towards the outskirts of Rajpura when you go towards Patiala, but at least we have a good place right here. That's Mama, that's Dilip. Hello. That's my Ditvu. And that's Daddy. There are a lot of other outlets like Wow Momo, McDonald's. There is Subway coming up. Looks nice. We have come for lunch to Haldirams. What's Nana going to eat?
So. For starters, I'm having Golgappa.
For starters, she's having Golgappa. And then we'll decide the main course.
तो मम्मा और नानी माँ ने मुझे एक टास्क दिया है, हमें जाके मतलब मुझे जाके अकेले अंकल से गोलगप्पे का पानी
लेके आना है।
है देखने अगर मिलेगा कि नहीं। यहाँ पे
Let's see. All the best, Nana.
थैंक यू। ओके गाइस, मुझे डर लग रहा है कि मैं करूँ किधर करूँ। अंकल, वो ना नानी माँ वो गोलगप्पे का खट्टा पानी मांग रहे हैं उस टेबल पे। हाँ। Oh my god guys, oh my god, oh my god, can't believe it.
पृथ्वी, आप खुद से नहीं लेके आ पाए अंकल से? Thank you so much.
अरे मम्मा,
Thank you, Ditvi. Ditvi got successful. Ditvi is eating golgappa. My golgappa is eating golgappa. Bhalla papri chaat, fried rice, and Dilip's already had his samosa chaat that he made on his own. Oye, gop. हल्दीराम्स की मोस्ट फेमस आइटम द राज कचौरी। हम बहुत कम रेयर मंगाते हैं, बट पापा ने आज एक ही बड़ी आइटम ऑर्डर कर दी है। टिक्की का टिक्की
चाय तो बहुत अच्छी है।
ये देख दिलीप।
और गाइस हवेली भी आ रही है जल्दी यहाँ पे, तो आप लोग भी आ जाओ जल्दी जल्दी। राजपुरा के रास्ते में अगर आप चंडीगढ़ से पटियाला या पटियाला से चंडीगढ़ या बठिंडा जा रहे हो तो रुको गेड़ी रूट पे और मस्त अपना मैकडॉनल्ड्स, हल्दीराम सब खा के वाओ मोमो।
24/7 भी खुल जाएगा।
हाँ,
सागर रत्ना is also coming.
सागर रत्ना और सबवे सब आ रहा है। तो देखो दित्वी आइसक्रीम एंजॉय कर रही है, आप भी आओ और आइसक्रीम एंजॉय करो।
Thank you for watching our vlog. We'll be back with the next part soon. Please like, comment and share and subscribe to our channel.